Welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial, and in today's video we're going to be seeing the 4 plugins that I use on a daily basis. And these 4 plugins, they have changed the way that I create games on Roblox. So I hope that you're ready, I hope that you have some snacks ready. Make sure to like and subscribe if you do enjoy these videos, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first up we have Load Character by Already Pro. So go ahead, you can download this plugin, then go at the very top, you have the plugins tab. Once you're at the very top, click on the plugin that you've just downloaded. Alright, load character. And over here, you can write down your own username. So I'm going to write Noble Courses. And there I am. You can spawn it as an R6 or an R15, and you can spawn at origin. So I'll just spawn it as an R15. And there I am. And an R6. And there I am as well. Now the best part about this is if you create game thumbnails, you just publish the game and you want to create an icon for the game, you can go ahead, move this around the game. So let me go to home, select, place them over here, and then you can move the left leg a bit, see, pretend that he's walking, and this just makes the game more customizable, and also you create a sort of brand with your character in the game. You can also make the character sock. We'll have another video about this, but you can click on head, click plus, and add a dialogue. Over here in the properties, initial prompt, welcome to the game. So your character greets the new players in the game. There I am, Noble Courses, welcome to the game. Now let's click on stop and let's move on to the next one. The next plugin is the Archimedes. This has to be by far my favorite one. But you do have to wait till the last plugin that I'm going to show you, because that's one that blew my mind as soon as I found out about it. Let's go ahead, let's do the Archimedes. Now, if I had to ask you to build a perfect circle, or a perfect spiral staircase, or even a smooth circle, it would take you hours perhaps. With the Archimedes you can just do it in a few seconds. Let's go back to the toolbox. In plugins you can write Archimedes. There it is. And make sure to use the free one. Okay, use this one over here. Install it. And you know that the plugin is good as well. This one has 5,000 votes and 96% of people do like it. If it only had 5 votes and a red or orange thumbs up ratio, don't use that one. Most likely it's not that good. Let's go to plugins again, click on Archimedes, and for this you do have to add a block. Let's add a block over here. And it shows you where the block is, but then it also shows you where the next block will be. So over here in my case, let's just click render. And there you go. A perfect circle. Let's do it again. But this time around, the smaller the number that you do over here is the angle. So the smaller the angle is, the bigger the circle will get. So instead of 40 I do 10 and I render all 35. If I had to do 2, it will render 179. If I had to do just 1, 359. Let's do 5. Render 71. And see the big difference between these 2 circles. But then you can also change and experiment with this quite a lot. So I move this part over here again, then you can change the Y. Let's do this. Let's do it a bigger circle. Sorry, similar to the same one that we had. See? And you can create your own tunnel. Let's move this up. Or you can create a donut with this. Now let's add another part. You can change the Z-axis. You can have fun with this, experiment as much as you can. There you go. One more thing that you can do over here is the amount. So let's grab one of these. Let's do... You don't want to have a full circle. So instead of render 35, it's going to render 22. I grab all of these, and it's not a full circle. This works best if you're going to do an arc, for example, where the players have to go through some sort of tunnel. That would work amazing for this. You can even flip axes, swap sides, there's a lot that you can do. But I've been talking about Archimedes for a while now, so let's move on to the next one. And don't forget, you can join the Discord. I will leave a link for all of these plugins in the Discord. Plus, I'm going to add one extra plugin that I won't be talking over here in this video. So there's a fifth plugin that I always use, but that will only be in the Discord. So make sure to join. The link is in the description. Alright, plugin number 3. And this is one of my favorite ones, because when I had starting off with Roblox Studio, I had always written text or words using parts, and you can imagine how long that takes. But there's a specific plugin called 3D text. Alright, for the next plugin, as I was telling you, it is a 3D text. Now, the one that I was going to show you, apparently they have removed it, or it might be doing an update. But you can use this one, it's a 3D text maker. I'll leave the link for this as well. So let's go plugins, 3D text. And over here, first step that you have to do, add a part. Once you add the part, click start, and you can write whatever you want. So subscribe to Noble Courses. Letter space, I'll do that a bit smaller, I'll do it 2. And then you can choose any font that you want. Let's click create. This font isn't very nice. Let's do it again. Plugins, 3D, start. Let's keep that 2, and then make this 1. There it is. Let's go back home, select this part, make it a bit bigger. I'll make this red, so it just looks like the subscribe button. Anchor it. This all will be white. Subscribe to Noble Courses. And don't forget, while I'm mentioning this as well, make sure to like and subscribe if you do enjoy these videos. Now, you can make this neon, there's a lot that you can do, you can experiment with the font, but there's practically an infinite amount of things that you can do with this one. And in fact, I'll change the material, I'll make it neon as well. It will look very, very cool. And you can even move subscribe to Noble Courses slightly inwards, just to see how it looks. Oops. There we go. So whoever joins the game, they'll see this one, subscribe to Noble Courses, or you can even say join the Roblox group. But let's move on to the fourth plugin, which I'm sure that you've all been waiting for. And the last and the fourth plugin that I'm going to show you over here today is the Tool Grip Editor. Go on Toolbox, Tool Grip Editor. Make sure to always use the free ones, don't use the paid version. So there's the Tool Grip Editor, which is going to be this one up here, Tool Grip Visual Editor. Add it to the game. Once you add it to the game, all that you have to do is create your own tool. Basically, this means the players can grab it. So let's go ahead, let's add a block for now. We'll keep it just a simple block. We have to rename this block to handle. Think of it the same way that a luggage has a handle, so you can grab it. A handle is something that you can grab, and make sure you spell handle with a capital H, otherwise this does not work. Once you do that, click plus on workspace and add a tool. And I did rename the tool to block. Let's grab this, let's rename the part to handle, and we're going to move it all the way up to the tool, which we named block. Now, the fastest way to move it when you have a lot of items, when you see parent and properties, click workspace, and just zoom up and click on the block. And now it's inside the block. Now, the way that this works, the Tool Grip Editor, let's go to Plugins, Tool Grip Editor, and there it is. Edit Tool Grip. Now, if I want that my player grabs it pointing forwards rather than sideways, let's click rotate. Let's rotate all of this, just like this, and move the hand backwards. Now if I click on play, make sure not to anchor this part, because if you anchor it, the player will just get frozen with the part. There it is. And this works perfect when you have a sword, when you have a sort of weapon that you want to give the player, or something that the players can grab. And this makes the time much faster. I hope that you all enjoyed the video, and make sure to like and subscribe if you are enjoying these videos. Also, if you made it this far to the video, we do have our very own courses, which basically teaches you how to create games on Roblox, and you can join us for a free trial completely for free. So you don't really have anything to miss out. I will leave the link in the description as well for this. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.